Yes, so wagwan my people, respect for tuning in to another video. Consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already yet. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. Yeah, but people, as you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. So basically, we have RT Boss exposing a lot of things about Spice, as I say. And basically, RT Boss, I say, yo, Spice pay him for Obia, Ladies, Macka Diamond, and also Shenseea, as I mean. Him even point out the period at a time where him did a work the Obia pan lady side, you see me? And him also state even up to what day upon him life say him at work Obia pan Spice make Spice can get better. You see me? I say because we all know Spice health issues, you see me? I say, and we all know say at the end of the day Spice still not get better because she's suffering from a certain kind of illness. You see me? I say people. Yeah, and at the end of the day RT Boss come out and RT Boss I say yo she can't get better, she got dead and be a thing, you see me? And it is just a sad situation. But viewers and subscribers, we all know say RT Boss a liar. Sometimes you have to wonder if a lie this man a tell or a fox him attack. You see me? I say RT is just looking clout because we all know say RT Boss is kind of bitter from the breakup with him and Spice. You see me? I say, and we all know what happened in that situation. You see me? I say, but basically people, as what I said before, him and Britney they on a live and him expose a bag of thing and attack up a bag of thing about Spice and also Ladies and baiting. You see me? So people, here what me I go do, me just go make you check out the video and tell me on honest thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about this situation.
No, I used to do spiritual help for our career. Advisor, help, hold on Macka Diamond, Lady Saw, and Shenseea so she can be the queen.
So, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?
Fucking good. You know, come out, come talk and turn in for everybody know the truth. You know, she say, let me tell you something. Who you remember when ladies used to wear our hair, them holy? Let me teach you facts. You remember when ladies used to dress up every day, say, Christian, and preach. And when that time, they used to say, Lord, Marion can't cream me hair dry. Oh, she looks so holy, man. Lord, she a good Christian. Until me come out, come say, hey! I mean, what you Marion and lick him and send him in a church. God never call him. After that, Mama start wear wig. Mama start wear clothes. Mama let go Jesus because she realize say, I know that you something wrong. Mama realize that God never call him. So since 2020 now, Mama start wear out her good clothes. Facts me I tell you about it. So people now watch that. And since RT come talk, Mama never want church again. Mama take time to push out. People don't know facts. So my job is do what I do. And I do it. I know some people I understand, but one will soon know when me get for my rightful pan. Enough of the story can't talk, but here more you know, sister. One way for you to understand, every song we go #1 and every song we're at, and me. Without me, there is a dead body. Clearly, me tell you that. And they say the last thing I said to them.
So what do you have to say now about Spice's illness? What do you have to say about that?
When she's dying.
She posted on that she's sad, that she's sick, very sick.
That don't have a good natural fuck now for do me. The bottom line is when the best of them are gonna cry and when them are gonna cause me. I don't give a fuck if you want dead today and dead tomorrow. I have nothing to do with me. I dead from in 2020. I dead from I come out and best say Batman, this, that, wicked, you're pitting them with me dead from 2020. Is me ghost now. So, my time for laugh after them dirty blood clad. Karma is a bitch. You saw it go round? Remember them did a laugh after me and cuss me and say me a wicked and you hope you're no good and you're not in a sense. Who for time for laugh now? Who for time?
So could you, if she reach out to you for you to help her, could you help her?
Where's the?
Could you help her with her sickness?
Only me alone can help her. And that's why true me know she not come for the help and me not gonna help her. That's why me can't pronounce her. Let me repeat it. Only me, if you know spirituality and people are listening, the situation, only me alone can stop it. Because I me it come from. It can't stop. Nothing a dead there.
Wait, so what are you saying? You obvious Spice?
I'm not saying that I will be spice. I'm saying you will soon know where you want to hear. I'm saying all who have to talk. You know what I mean? Just like what we prophesy for you.
So do you think that you and Spice could make up back and you guys turn back friends?
No, it done. The damage done. Me despise that bitch. The damage done. I despise. You know, just a while ago, I tell the people them say me name them Bestie, them name Smurfette, and I me change them name from Smurfette to Bestie. Me, in my kitchen, me do it until I forgot live, go do it.
So
Every
you don't
Sunday.
have to have sex?
No, nothing sexually. Nothing sexually. I was just working, I was advising, we was friends. Wicked man like your blood clad pussy we can't open kind big and empty. So one girl in the comment me.
So people, you know, I want to know, I want to tell me what you really think about the RT boss as a writer. So yeah, me know if you think say where I say a fox or where I say I just stupidness. You see me? In my personal opinion, me just feel like the RT boss just beat against Spice. You see me? I say, and at the end of the day, you know, say it come out publicly says RT boss is Spice Obia man when them did a friend. You see me? I say, yeah, but as well we can say that is allegedly. You see me? I say, because none of we don't really know the facts or what really go on. You see me? I say, but at the end of the day, RT boss are one big liar. You see me? And if all of this are true, where I say, yo, it's just a sad situation for no say them way I'm a pray. You see me? I say, because basically we all know say a them thing they were RT boss talk say I do Spice, a them thing they are film profession. You see me? I say, but anyways, people, just put honest thoughts down into the comment section about this situation and make we know what go on in our brain. You see me? Also, basically we have LA Lewis. You see me? I say, and LA Lewis I confess to Babsy Grange a whole heap of thing, people, but me not go tell you about it. Me just gonna make you check out the video for yourself and share what you think about the whole of this situation. You see me? I say, so check it out.
Babsy knows I love her too, you know. Sometimes I try for the night. A lot of time I try for the night. Alright, people, I'm gonna tell you the truth. My mother for Babsy Grange. From me I look at youth. Enough man afraid for talk the truth. You understand? Even if she out of my life, you know, people, me can still confess, say, yo, you know, some love Babsy. People, Babsy have a cock-up body, the people. Babsy have the biggest cock-up body, and her body, Babsy have her cock-up body before them bring in the thing called woman get joking at them body for cock it up. And Babsy, alone, she a big girl now, people. Babsy a big girl for my people. But Babsy just have a people not to lie. If me run a dead mag people and Babsy comes the dead people, but I fuck Babsy in her dead stage. I swear to God, people. No, people, if me work in a mag, you know, people. You don't know the mag, but you know what people bury dead. And Babsy come in the people. Me not tell a lie, people. I swear to God, but I fuck Babsy dead body people. Yeah, man, I fuck Babsy dead body people and come in our dead pussy people. Even for one time I get to lay down with Babsy, even for when she dead, I'm gonna fuck her people. People, that's how I love Babsy.
Hey people, hey, LA Lewis, that's sample man still, but people hear what LA Lewis say. LA Lewis say basically my mother over Miss Babsy Grange. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, you don't know, it is nothing for a man confess. You see me I say, and confess him feelings to a woman to see his feel. But we all know that LA Lewis are one big sample man, one big joker. You see me I say, yo, big up to him every day. But people, hear what? I want to drop on honest thoughts about this situation down into the comment section. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share the content so that others can be in the know. So now people, we have come to the end of the video, so we don't know how we do everything over here. So peace, love, unity, bless. I'm out.